Clears throat. All right, let's get this show on the road. Adopts a dramatic, intense tone. In this video, you will discover the secrets to outsmarting everyone around you, the strategies to turbocharge your learning ability, and the tips to make knowledge your best friend in every aspect of your life. We're talking about the keys to becoming a superhuman of knowledge, a master of intelligence. Get ready to take notes, because we're about to unlock the secret doors to the library of your mind. You got it, boss? Clears throat with a booming, motivational speaker-style voice. Listen up, people. Are you ready to unleash the beast within? To conquer your mental domain and become a master of intellect? Pauses for dramatic effect. Here's the truth. It all starts with focus and concentration. It's the laser beam that cuts through the mental fog and delivers the goods. The path to becoming a conqueror of knowledge and a champion of understanding begins with these fundamental practices. Eliminate distractions, meditate like a Zen master, schedule like a boss, and rest like a champ. Now pounds on the table with enthusiasm. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let's break it down. Mindfulness, eliminating distractions, no notifications, dedicated workspace, single tasking, frequent breaks, and pumping those endorphins with physical activity. Let's get fired up about focusing like a boss and turning up the volume on our concentration skills. This is the recipe for a mind that's sharp as a razor and agile like a ninja. It's time to go from distracted to determined, from unfocused to on fire. Clench his fist and raises it in the air, you set it. Attention to diet and sleep is the foundation of a sharp and alert mind. Think of it like fueling up for the intellectual marathon. And the benefits of concentration don't stop there. Oh no, you'll be able to solve problems like Sherlock Holmes, read like a speed reader, and think like a philosopher. It's time to level up and unleash the beast within. So buckle up, my friend, and let's embark on the quest for razor-sharp focus and limitless potential. Grinning broadly, with energy buzzing through every word, curiosity is the magic potion for a clever mind. It's like an unstoppable force that drives you to explore the mysteries of the world, unraveling the complexities of life like a detective unearthing clues. By developing curiosity, you gain a superpower that sets you apart, elevating you to become a perpetual student of life. It is the very fuel that ignites your intellectual engine and propels you forward. Don't be content with the surface level. Dive deep and find the answers that lay hidden beneath. Smiling, voice rising with excitement. Oh, the thrill of that aha moment when things click into place. It's like a dopamine rush for the mind. Curiosity is not a passive observer. It's a relentless investigator, probing and poking at every aspect of life, uncovering patterns and connections that were previously hidden. The more you ask, the more you discover. And the more you discover, the more you grow. Curiosity is not just a trait, it's a way of life, an insatiable thirst to understand and uncover the unknown, like a treasure hunter in a vast, unexplored territory. Oh, keeping an open mind is like opening the windows of your brain to let the fresh air of new ideas blow through. By avoiding a rigid mindset and staying flexible, you're able to see things from a range of perspectives and explore the world in new and exciting ways. A closed mind is like a locked door, blocking out anything that challenges your preconceived notions. But an open mind is a welcome mat, inviting in new thoughts and perspectives, helping you grow and learn. The willingness to consider new possibilities leads to new insights and helps you evolve and expand your intellectual horizons. Oh, keeping an open mind is like opening the windows of your brain to let the fresh air of new ideas blow through. By avoiding a rigid mindset and staying flexible, you're able to see things from a range of perspectives and explore the world in new and exciting ways. A closed mind is like a locked door, blocking out anything that challenges your preconceived notions. But an open mind is a welcome mat, inviting in new thoughts and perspectives, helping you grow and learn. The willingness to consider new possibilities leads to new insights and helps you evolve and expand your intellectual horizons. Well said. That's the beauty of an open mind. It's like a never-ending intellectual scavenger hunt. Empathy is the key that unlocks the treasure chest of understanding. By stepping into someone else's shoes, we can see the world through their eyes and gain a deeper understanding of their perspectives. When we have an open mind and an empathetic heart, we become more understanding and inclusive of others. It's like leveling up in the game of life. You can see the big picture and appreciate the nuances of diverse viewpoints. This helps you be a better communicator, a more effective leader, and a more well-rounded individual. Yes, goal setting is like putting a treasure map in your mind. It gives you the focus to navigate through life's twists and turns. Clear goals give you motivation and purpose, and they help you measure progress, allowing you to celebrate small victories along the way. Without them, you're like a boat drifting aimlessly on a vast ocean with no sense of direction or destination. It's like a game of darts without a bullseye. You can throw all you want, but without a target, it's just a bunch of random throws. So sharpen your pencil and start writing your goals down. Make sure they're specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You'll feel like a superhero with laser-sharp focus. Beautifully said. Goals are like a compass for success. They provide direction, meaning, and focus. It's like creating a roadmap for your mind. You have a clear destination and you know the path to get there. And the more specific and detailed your goals are, the more likely you are to hit the bullseye. When obstacles arise, your goals act as a reference point to guide your decision-making. You become a problem-solving ninja, able to navigate through challenges with confidence and resilience. So embrace your goals and conquer them like the champion you are. Word. Experience is the ultimate teacher, and every lesson can be a gem. Through experience, you develop resilience, adaptability, and critical thinking skills, all of which are crucial for success in any field. And you're absolutely right. Failures are not to be feared, but embraced as opportunities for growth and learning. The adage that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger is not just a platitude, but a truth. It's a sign that you're pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone and expanding your abilities. Like a muscle, your mind becomes stronger with each challenge. So, bring on the failures, for they are the stepping stones to greatness. Boom! You're dropping knowledge like a boss. Embracing the reflective process after a success is just as important as analyzing a failure. It's like a treasure hunt, digging deep to unearth the gold nuggets that made you thrive. It's a mindful process that helps you refine your skills and become a better version of yourself. And let's be real, staying adaptable and open to change is the key to thriving in this ever-evolving world. It's like being a ninja, agile and flexible, able to move with the flow of life. Yes! A growth mindset is the secret sauce to becoming an intellectual powerhouse. It's the belief that your brain is like a muscle, and with consistent exercise, it can get stronger and more flexible. It's about approaching challenges as opportunities to improve and learn, rather than as obstacles that limit your potential. People with a growth mindset embrace feedback as a tool for development, not a criticism of their worth. They are resilient, adaptable, and ready to embrace the journey of lifelong learning. It's all about embracing the process, not just chasing the outcome. Ooh, now we're cooking with gas. Let me hit you with a metaphor. A growth mindset is like a rocket ship constantly pushing towards new heights, fueled by curiosity and fueled by a hunger for learning. It empowers you to take risks, be bold, and step outside your comfort zone, knowing that setbacks are just stepping stones to growth. And that feedback, well, it's the rocket fuel that keeps you soaring. You embrace it, integrate it, and use it to adjust course and reach new heights. With a growth mindset, the sky's the limit. Pumped up, fist pumping? Yes, you've got it right. The growth mindset is all about the pursuit of excellence, the drive to never settle for mediocrity, and the hunger to push yourself beyond your limits. It's about creating a life of discovery, exploration, and constant evolution. And let's be real, it's not always easy. It requires grit, resilience, and a healthy dose of humility. It's like going on a never-ending adventure, with each new obstacle being just another puzzle to solve. The growth mindset is a mindset of abundance, of possibility, and of never-ending opportunities to get better. You got it! Your enthusiasm is contagious. With this kind of energy, you're destined for greatness. And remember, growth is a lifelong journey, a never-ending quest for knowledge and self-improvement. By subscribing to this channel and immersing yourself in the content, you're saying yes to a lifetime of growth and development. It's like unlocking a virtual treasure trove of wisdom with the key in your hands. So grab that key and let's embark on this amazing journey together.